What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video.
What's that?
Today, me and my boy Kyrie will be wrapping front of my truck. I had this wrap on my truck for about a year now. I wrapped it without any of the stuff that we have now. Now I have a heat gun. Well, where's mine? There's mine over there. A Vivid heat gun from Vivid Vinyls. But I wrapped this grill without any of that, and I don't know if you can see on camera. Well, I'm pretty sure you can. It's very noticeable. A lot of air in the first time we did it. A lot of little mistakes. Peel right there. Yeah, you can go and take it off. So yeah, we're about to correct all that. And this is matte black. So now I'll be changing to metallic black. I done ordered some Vivid Vinyl as well.
I got you, man.
Appreciate it. I'm struggling.
I have to take it out of here.
So I have a metallic black now. So I wrapped the bow tie. I wrapped the bow tie about a week ago just to see how it would look on the front, and it looks pretty good to me. I like the way the bow tie turned out. So now I'm about to wrap all of this. So now we're about to take off the vinyl, take off all this, because right now we're about to just start on the bottom half, because once we take this grill off, it's just gonna be this half that we're gonna be wrapping right now, and then after that we'll go to the grill, and that'll be easier than, well, nah, this will be easier. It's straight across. So So now we got this piece all washed up and somewhat clean. It's not real clean. That's the main reason I want to wrap it, because it's got the little dirt marks. So yeah, we got this kind of clean, well, clean on the surface. So now we're about to start laying the wrap and getting everything laid down on it. So now we're just laying the vinyl down, getting all the wrinkles out of it. And like here, this has wrinkles in it. And the heat, what the heat is for, is to shrink it down and take the wrinkles out of it. So just like that, the wrinkles came out of it. See all this. So we had to, at first we were wrapping against each other, and that was wrong, because once we got in the middle, we would have had a lot of wrinkles and stuff in the middle there. And also we did mess up over here, so what we decided to do was start working with each other one way instead of working toward each other. So that'll take the wrinkles out in the middle, and we'll just go straight across. And also it'll fix this little, we had a little cut right here, missing cut right there. So us moving toward this way together will help us be able to stretch it and get it over here and do it right with no wrinkles. So we had to basically start over. Not start over, we still got some progress, but we had to start. Yeah. So now we're just working together instead of against each other.
You need some up there? Yeah. Just leave.
Alright. So this has become a lot harder than it should have been. So now me and the guys are taking a food break. I'll grab my keys. I'm gonna take a food break and get back at it. Okay, so we back out here after we got us some food, and we starting to think a lot better and get a lot more progress. Also, we are far from pros at this. We are under amateur. We are.
I can't say the N-word.
No.
We got ice a boom. We like newborn baby to it.
Yeah. Like we're just trying to get some experience to it. So we decided to change from going from side to side to coming from the middle to going out. So now we're going from the middle out. Get some light. And we're having a lot of good luck with it. So yeah, we're about to keep doing that. See how it goes.
I'm having good luck.
So we've gotten a lot better. I know I've gotten a lot better at rapping just today. What about you, buddy?
I ain't never had no experience before this, so I can't do nothing but get better. I mean, don't look at that.
I mean, you did good though. This is side.
Yeah.
You still got a little bit to go, but
I'm still trying to stretch it. That ain't my technique right there.
just pulling and stretching. I got it's a lot of little stuff in under the
You could buff it out.
in the grill.
Buff it with some wax.
Yeah, but that's under the
Grill.
the wrap.
Yeah, that's it.
It's on the metal. So yeah.
My bad, I forgot.
Now we're about to finish. I'm gonna tuck over here, pull and tuck, and then we gotta make a little slit right here. This is where my light bar is. It's a little insert right there, and we're gonna keep pulling and stretching right here, then get over there and tuck. So yeah. All right. So we finally finished it.
6 hours later. Well, 5 hours.
All right.
I came at 6.
It actually looks really good though. Really, really good. Yeah.
Especially for our skill level.
Yeah, it looks really good. It's 11:08 now. We started at 6:30, something like that. So yeah, we tried almost every possible way to do it and to get it done the right way. And we finally found our way at the end. And after we found the way we liked, it only took about 30 minutes. So yeah, now we'll know next time when we wrap the grill, because of course we're not gonna be able to do that tonight because
We'll be up to 4 o'clock with mosquitoes.
right.
We need to get a garage replaced.
Right. But yeah, so this is the finished product for it.
Yeah,
We're about to put the grill back on and see how it looks. What's going on, guys? It's the next day and we were out here all night Well, not all night, but until about 11:30. Trying to get this wrap finished up on the bottom portion of the grill. We got it done. It looks pretty good. To say we're just beginners at this, it looks pretty good. Got the wrap laid. Not really any patching or anything we had to do like the last time, so it looks a lot better. I have to back it into the sun so you can get a better. So you can see it looks a lot better in the sun. That gloss finish looks a lot better than the matte finish. And there's not any patches in it. That's what really makes it look a lot better, because previously on the last wrap I had about 3 or 4 patches in it in just the bottom portion. So yeah, really excited that I don't have any patches or anything that looks just standing out bad. So yeah, it looks a lot better. Now we just have to get that wrapped